Hello, student of class 3. You know, words are the most important in communication as well as to share our feelings. So, it is needed to enrich word power and the uses. In each chapter, we have word in use column for such purpose. And today's topic is the same. We will practice for the chapter 5 word in use. First of all, we should know every words have some specific meaning attached with them. Similarly, every person doing some special and specific work also have some special words. We can use these words as nouns specifying the job or profession of a person. So, these words are also called nouns for profession, which we use in our general life. So let's learn few new words as noun defining their work. Let's read these sentences. There once lived a king who had a wise and clever minister called Chatur. The carpenter was checking the trees, chopping off bits to see if the wood was hard. Zafar is ill. We need to take him to the doctor. Priya is a student at the Red Brick School. Her father is a teacher in the same school. Mr. Shah is also our football coach. He trains our team for an hour every day. Mother is a baker. She bakes soft bread and the best cakes and pastries. I want to be a pilot. When I grow up, it would be fun to fly planes. Yatin is a farmer. He grows a lot of wheat on his farm. The words in color tell us what these people do. For example, a king rules a kingdom. In each sentences, there are some noun for profession. And how we use it, how we confirm it, let's practice for that. That is the question for today. That is, match the people with what they do. One has been done for you. Like a coach trains others in a sport. It looks very easy. You can do by your own. Let's move forward in another topic that is also related to the word. In our everyday life, we listen many sounds around us like whistling, shouting, crying. These are verbs which shows some work done in sense of sound. But every sound is different from one another, produced by different animals, persons, things or machines. Therefore, every sound have special name given to them so that we can identify them easily. As who is making that sound? So student, let us learn few more words defining sounds. Here are some of the sound word: gallop, swings, hop, flies, waddle. And here are some fill in the blanks. For example, a duck paddle to the pond. You have to understand the words and then put it in the fill in the blanks. Only this is for today. You will find the answer sheet along with this. Check the second link. That's all for today. God bless you.